Hey everyone! I'm coming to you from my porch. Such a nice day outside. And as promised, Ruby is here. She's just having to be coaxed with a treat so that she'll stay out here with us. I don't know if you'll get to see her too much. Um, so, hello everybody. I miss everyone so much. This is such a great way to connect with all of you. And thank you to everyone that's given me feedback and sent me emails. That's just been really nice to read. It's been kind of tough being inside, so it's been nice to connect with you guys that way. So the book I chose today is Measuring Penny, and I chose this because recently in my second grade class we just finished our measurement unit, and it's just a fun book. And Penny is her dog. It's by Lorraine Levy. Oh, that breeze feels so good. My name is Lisa, and my teacher says our next big homework project is to measure something. Mr. Jason says we can measure anything, like a sofa, a television set, or a doll. Measuring homework due next Tuesday. 1. Choose something to measure. 2. Measure it in as many ways as you can. Height, width, length, weight, volume, temperature, time. Record your results. Number 4. Include at least one comparison. It is taller than or heavier than. Remember, a measurement always has two parts. 1, a number. 2, a unit. For example, I am 6 feet tall. Which units can you use? Here are some examples. Standard units: inches, feet, yards, centimeters, meters, teaspoons, cups, gallons, pounds, minutes, etc. Non-standard units: paper clips, bricks, frogs, marbles, pencils, toes, etc. Use your imagination. I'm sure a lot of my kids right now are going like this or going like this because this is definitely something that we've learned. So you should feel really proud that you know what inches are and what centimeters are and feet and yards. When I got home today, my dog Penny jumped all over me as usual. Wow, I could measure Penny for my homework. She is a Boston Terrier and is bigger than a pug and smaller than a Cocker Spaniel. She's about the size of a Shetland sheepdog. Penny, please stop drooling. I like the comparison picture here. Come on, Penny, I'll get a ruler and we'll run over to the park. Look at all the dogs out here today. Hey, get down. Sounds familiar. I can't believe how many dogs live around here. Fine, I'll measure some of you too. We're supposed to use a standard unit, so let me use inches to see how long your noses are. Oh, stop licking my face. Shetland sheepdog, 4 inches. Penny, 1 inch. Pug, ½ an inch. They have just a little nose. Penny's measurements: nose, length, 1 inch. Unit, inch. Tail, length, 1 dog biscuit. Unit, dog biscuit. So this must be the non-standard units that she's using, the dog biscuits. I'll measure your tails with a non-standard unit. Dog biscuits. Oh, she just answered that for us. Will you please hold still? Penny has the shortest tail. 1 dog biscuit. 4 dog biscuits. 6 dog biscuits. It says mixed breed. Oh, and this is a fox terrier tail. And then this is a greyhound's tail. 10 dog biscuits. Whoa. I'll measure your ears with another non-standard unit, cotton swabs. Don't wiggle so much. Pug, ½ a swab. Penny, 1 swab. Basset hound, 3 swabs. Penny's ear, length 1 swab, unit cotton swab. Penny's paw print, width 3 centimeters, unit centimeter. Let's see how wide your paw prints are. I'll turn over my ruler and measure with another standard unit, centimeters. Mixed breed, 5 centimeters. A Dachshund, 2.5 centimeters. Penny's is 3 centimeters wide, and a Cocker Spaniel is 4 centimeters wide. And I notice here that she's using the width of her finger, her pinky finger, which is what we talked about, to estimate about an inch, the width of an inch, or excuse me, a centimeter. I want to see how tall you are. Everybody sit. I'm gonna put my sunglasses on, guys. It's getting so sunny out here. A Dachshund is 12 inches tall, or 1 foot. A Cocker Spaniel is 24 inches tall, or 2 feet. And a Greyhound is 36 inches tall, or 3 feet. Whoa, this mixed breed is 48 inches tall, or 4 feet. That's taller than some of you. Penny is 18 inches tall, 1.5 feet. Let's see how high you can jump. Penny can jump up to my waist. I could use myself to measure with. Fox Terrier, shoulder high. Penny, waist high. Basset Hound, knee high. Woo! Greyhound, over my head. Shetland Sheepdog, chest high. Pug, Dachshund. Penny's jump, as high as my waist. Unit, me. There's no scale here in the park, so I can't weigh anything. Wait, I could use the seesaw to see how heavy Penny is compared with other dogs. The seesaw is down on Penny's end, so she's heavier than the pug. Guys, remember when we wrote comparison statements in math? This is just like that. Weight comparison. Penny is heavier than the pug, lighter than the Cocker Spaniel, same as the Shetland Sheepdog. Now Penny's end is up because she's lighter than the Cocker Spaniel. The seesaw is balanced, so she weighs about the same as the Shetland Sheepdog. You look thirsty, Penny. We better go home and get you a drink. See you later, everybody. Let's stop in the bathroom so I can weigh you. Get on the scale. You're exactly 16 pounds. Now, let's go to the kitchen for your drink. Penny's weight, 16 pounds, unit, pound. Mr. Jason says volume is the amount of space something fills, like water in a cup. So what volume of water do you want? A cup, a pint, a quart, or a gallon? Maybe a tablespoon or teaspoon? You've seen these things, I'm sure, in your kitchen. Maybe when mom is baking or dad is baking. You drank a cup of water already today, and I'll give you another cup now. I suppose you're hungry too. No, you can't have the whole bag of dog food. I'll give you half a cup. Hey, Ruby, that's what you have, half a cup. Drinking water. Per day, 1 to 3 cups. Food, per day, 1 cup, dry, half cup, canned, unit, cup. Sometimes Dad and I make homemade dog biscuits. We measure the ingredients so they taste good, at least to you know who. I'm going to follow Penny around all Saturday to measure how much time I spend taking care of her. So we can measure in time too. Interesting. Penny's time schedule. 6 a.m., wake up. 6 to 7, patrol house. 7 a.m., bark to wake up everybody. 7:05, take a quick walk. 7:10, eat breakfast. 7:20, beg for scraps. 8, howl when mom goes out. 8:10, take nap. 8:45, nibble dog biscuits. 12 noon, eat lunch. 12:15, take a nap. 1 o'clock, gnaw bone. 1:15, investigate weird noise in basement. 2 o'clock, snooze for a while. 2:30, bark, run in circles. 2:35, go for a long walk. 3:45, carry newspaper in. 4 o'clock, watch cartoons. Taking care of Penny. Oh, it says, I'll make a poster for this part. Taking care of Penny. How much time does it take? Every day. Feeding her. 10 minutes. Brushing her. 15 seconds. She has short hair. Walking her. 5 minutes in the morning. 30 minutes in the afternoon. 10 minutes at night. Playing with her. Half hour to 1 hour. Weekly. Giving her a bath. 15 minutes to 1 hour. Clipping her toenails. 5 minutes. Units. Hours. Minutes. Seconds. Ooh! Guys, I thought it was such a good idea to come out here, but it's just so sunny. I like it though. Ooh, and windy. Oh. We're almost done. I'll measure how quickly Penny can run to different places. She can get from her bed to the kitchen in 6 seconds. Penny's breakfast dash. Wow. Penny's times. Her bed to her dish, 6 seconds. Across the backyard, 4 seconds. Around the block, 5 minutes. To the park, 7 minutes. To my bus stop, 15 seconds. Units, minutes, seconds. Kind of like when we time things in class for minutes, or when we're counting down, or when we do our 1 minute greeting in the morning. We can use those short intervals of time to do measuring as well. Temperature is important to Penny. We know what temperature is. She doesn't like things that are too hot or too cold. Penny likes to go on longer walks when the weather is nice. Walking times. Time in minutes. And temperature. In fact, you can almost tell the temperature outside just by looking at her. Penny the thermometer. 80 degrees, 60 degrees, 40 degrees, 20 degrees, 0 degrees. Units, Fahrenheit. By looking at me right now, and by the looks of Ruby down here, I'd say it's close to 80. The last thing I'm going to measure Penny is with money. Mom looked through her checkbook to help me figure this out. We decided that Penny's kind of expensive. Cost of having Penny. To buy puppy, $275. Food, 1 year, $400. Vet, 1 year, $120. Toys, collar, etc., $75. Unit, dollars and cents. But she's worth a lot too. Value of having Penny. As burglar alarm, $1,000. As exercise machine, $500. As entertainment, $20 a day. For love, $1 million. Units, dollars, cents. Show me that you agree if you have a pet that you would say that their love is worth $1 million. Oh yeah. I'm sure Mr. Jason will give me a good grade on this measuring project. Penny, maybe we should change your name to Million. The end. So, guys, go out, measure things. You got things around the house. I was actually looking for a measuring tape so that I could measure things around, but I didn't have one. I have this one, though, that's just kind of flat, and I was thinking that maybe I could measure Ruby right now. We could see, maybe, if she doesn't freak out, how long she is. All right, so let's see. Come here, Rue. Come here. Come here. Don't be scared. Oh, don't be scared. Come here. Let's see. Let's see how long she is. Let's see. She is 1. Whoop. Ruby is from the tip of her nose to the tip of her tail. She is 32 inches long, and let's see. She is 80 centimeters long. Wow, Ruby. Thanks for participating in that. I know that was hard for you, but we appreciate it. Hey, come here. You want to say bye to everybody? You want to say bye to everybody? Thanks for tuning in, guys. Stay strong. I'm going to keep putting these videos up, and I hope they make your day. Bye.